Step 1. Your environment programs your money mindset. Most people don't realize that their relationship with money was shaped long before they started earning it. The way your parents, friends, and society talk about money becomes the foundation of how we think about it. If you grew up hearing things like money is hard to get or rich people are greedy, those ideas can quietly influence your financial behavior. Solution to this: start paying attention to the money beliefs you carry. Once you become aware of them, you can begin replacing limiting beliefs with more constructive ones. Step 2. The world is designed to make you spend. Every day, advertisements, influencers, and trends are competing for your attention and your money. The system rewards spending because consumption keeps the system or the economy moving. The problem is that many people spend without realizing how often they are being influenced. So the solution to this: create a habit of pausing before making purchases. Ask yourself whether what you are buying is truly necessary or simply a reaction to external pressure. Step 3. Your brain prefers instant reward. The human brain naturally prefers immediate pleasure over long-term benefits. Buying something new provides a quick burst of satisfaction, while saving or investing feels slower or less exciting. Over time, this pattern can keep people trapped in cycles of spending. Solution to this: train your mind to appreciate long-term rewards. Set small financial goals and celebrate progress so that your brain begins to associate discipline with positive outcomes. Step 4. Most people never change their money patterns. Many individuals continue repeating the same financial habits year after year. Without reflection, these patterns become automatic, making it difficult to break out of cycles like overspending or poor financial planning. Solution to this: take time to review your financial decisions regularly. When you understand your patterns, you gain the ability to make more intentional choices. Step 5, the last and not the least: wealth starts with conscious decision. Building wealth rarely happens by accident. People who achieve financial stability tend to become highly intentional about how they earn, spend, or invest their money. They focus on decisions that improve their future rather than temporary appearance. The solution to this: begin treating your financial choices as long-term investments in your life. Small, consistent decisions made today can shape your financial reality tomorrow.